How to apply for unemployment in NYC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for unemployment in NYC, guiding you through the necessary steps to access financial assistance. To apply for unemployment in New York City, visit the New York State Department of Labor website. You'll need your social security number, driver's license, and details about your employment history. Create an account or log in to start your application. Complete the required fields about your job and reasons for unemployment. After filing, check your claim status online and remember to certify your benefits every week to receive payments. By following the steps, you can easily and effectively navigate the unemployment application process in NYC.